All right. So the government of Delhi, just a short while back, has also announced the restrictions which have been eased in the national capital. Let's very quickly, in fact, first take you to what Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, said as far as this entire lockdown 4.0 guidelines are concerned. He announced significant, significant amount of easing of restrictions, concessions to the people of national capital. Take a look at what Arvind Kejriwal told us a short while back.
रेस्टोरेंट्स को खुलना अलाउ होगा, लेकिन वहां बैठ के खाना अलाउड नहीं होगा। केवल रेस्टोरेंट्स में होम डिलीवरी अलाउ होगी। स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स और स्टेडियम ये खोल दिए जाएंगे, लेकिन यहां किसी भी मैच के दौरान दर्शक अलाउड नहीं होंगे। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को खोला जा रहा है, तो ऑटो रिक्शा, ई रिक्शा, साइकिल रिक्शा ये अलाउड होंगे, लेकिन केवल एक पैसेंजर। टैक्सी, कैब्स ये अलाउड होंगे, लेकिन केवल 2 पैसेंजर्स। ग्रामीण सेवा, फटफट सेवा, इको फ्रेंडली सेवा ये अलाउड होंगे, लेकिन केवल 2 पैसेंजर्स। मैक्सी कैब में केवल 5 पैसेंजर्स और आरटीवी में 11 पैसेंजर्स। शाम को 7 बजे से सुबह 7 बजे तक घर से निकलना अलाउड नहीं होगा, केवल एसेंशियल सर्विसेज के लिए अलाउड होगा। 65 साल से ऊपर की उम्र के लोग, 10 साल से छोटे बच्चे, प्रेग्नेंट महिलाएं और जिन लोगों को दूसरी बीमारियां हैं जैसे डायबिटीज, दिल की बीमारी, ऐसे लोग का घर से निकलना वर्जित होगा, क्योंकि इन लोगों के लिए कोरोना जानलेवा साबित होता है। पहली चीज कि लॉकडाउन 31 मई तक जारी रहेगा, ऐसा केंद्र सरकार का आदेश है, लेकिन इस लॉकडाउन में कई सारी ढील दी जाएंगी। पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि क्या क्या अलाउ नहीं होगा दिल्ली के अंदर। मेट्रो नहीं चलेगी, सारे स्कूल, कॉलेज, कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट सब बंद रहेंगे, सारे होटल बंद रहेंगे, सारे सिनेमा हॉल, शॉपिंग मॉल, जिम्नेजियम, स्विमिंग पूल, एंटरटेनमेंट पार्क, थिएटर, बार, ऑडिटोरियम्स, असेंबली हॉल्स ये सब बंद रहेंगे। सोशल, पॉलिटिकल, स्पोर्ट्स, एंटरटेनमेंट, एकेडमिक, कल्चरल, रिलीजियस या किसी भी तरह की बड़ी गैदरिंग्स ये नहीं हो पाएंगी, ये अलाउड नहीं होंगी। कोई भी धार्मिक स्थान या रिलीजियस प्लेस या प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप बंद रहेंगे। कोई भी रिलीजियस गैदरिंग अलाउड नहीं होगी। बार्बर, स्पा और सैलून ये अभी फिलहाल बंद रहेंगे।
Okay, so let me just once again quickly recap for you, if you are living in the national capital, how your life is going to change from tomorrow. All offices will open, and the government has also taken off the cap of 33%, which was earlier there if you wanted to open your offices. That cap is over. People can come in, but the government is encouraging, many people to work from home, as many as they can. And also strict social distancing norms and professional etiquette has to be, in fact, enforced in the offices. Buses will be allowed with 20 passengers, so public transport is going to open. The Chief Minister also said that the taxi services will also be allowed to function. Not many, in fact, people would be allowed in those, only 2 passengers in every taxi, and in autos as well, only 1 passenger will be allowed. Apart from that, the government also said that the movement of people from one state to another, it has been further eased after the MHA guidelines. Let me also tell you what are the other things which will be allowed and which will not be allowed. The metros, Government of Delhi had asked for suggestions. In those suggestions which they had sent to the Prime Minister, they wanted metros to open. But since the MHA has denied that, so the metros will remain closed. Apart from that, barber shops, salon and gyms, they will still remain shut. Interstate travel was earlier shut. It will still not be allowed. These are largely the framework on which the government of Delhi is going to work. The restrictions between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. will continue. One very important thing that I want to tell our viewers, if you are in Delhi, the Chief Minister said that they would want people to go out in the parks. If they want to, in fact, to go walk, exercise. People have been completely indoors for the last more than 50 days. The MHA has not said anything about it. What I'm picking up from the source in the Delhi government has not put any restriction on that. So you might be allowed to go to the parks as well from tomorrow in the national capital. There will be lesser restrictions as far as people are concerned. Kumar Kunal, my colleague, is joining us with more details on this. Kumar, in just a short while from now, we'll be going across to Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia. What else has been allowed? Just give us a comparison from lockdown 3.0 to lockdown 4.0.
See, Ankit, you have told most of the things which will be allowed and which are not be allowed in the lockdown 4. But there are a few concerns as well. As you have told that DTC buses will ply with only 20 passengers. That means that more crowd will be on the bus stops. How will that be managed? Because Delhi Metro is not working. So all the burden of public transport will come on the bus services or the auto and e-rickshaw services. So how will that be managed? The second concern is how the markets will work. Although the Chief Minister in his press conference told us that odd and even scheme will be implemented. But who will make it follow? Will the administration will make it follow, or the market association, the onus will be on the market association to follow the rules? So all these things are now wide open because more crowd will be on the Delhi roads, and still 300 to 450 cases are coming on a daily basis in Delhi. There are so many concerns still which needed to be answered from government side.
Kunal, yes, these are concerns as far as, we are concerned about how this will be implemented, multiple levels as far as Delhi is concerned. What I've been told, Kunal, is that the Lieutenant Governor is just about to sign this order as well. Kunal, any clarity as far as offices are concerned, whether Arogya Setu app will be mandatory? Because we saw in the MHA order that they have not made it mandatory in offices. They are saying that the district collectors should request people to, in fact, download this app.
See, even Delhi government is requesting public and people to download Arogya Setu app so that they can be tracked wherever they are going, whom they are coming in contact with. So it is still advisory for the most of the people to download Arogya Setu app. It is still not compulsory in Delhi. But things are more complicated. As you can see that you can't see Delhi in an isolated form. There are so many cities which are adjoining Delhi like Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon and Faridabad. Right now, no communication can happen from these cities, as all these cities are telling that you can't commute to Delhi, or you can't come inside in those cities from Delhi. So if the offices will work with full strength, how those who are coming from Noida or Gurugram or Ghaziabad or Faridabad will come to Delhi and will work, and finally they will go to their home back in the evening. So there are still quite a few of questions which needed to be answered, and as a NCR needed to be worked out in association with all these cities.
Okay, last question, Kunal, before I let you go, because a lot of Delhiites would be interested in this, and we will have more clarity. We will be going across to the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, who is going to join us in just about a minute. Kunal, the interstate travel from Delhi to other states, the MHA order said that government can talk to each other and decide that. Will there be opening up of the interstate travel? Has the government of Delhi got any green light from any other state, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana or Rajasthan in that regard?
That will be a big question, because right now neither Uttar Pradesh nor Haryana have given any green signal to the Delhi's proposal for interstate communication. In fact, even intra-city communication is not happening right now between Noida to Delhi or other such cities. So that will be a big problem area, how those who are commuting between two cities will commute from tomorrow. So all these questions needed to be asked from even Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia when he will join India today. So we need more clarity from all the from even Delhi government and even the administration of the cities which are in Delhi NCR.
Right. Kunal, thank you for joining me and taking this conversation forward.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.